Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 30. Now close the windows. I walked through the house, evening settling like soft smoke, checking each window as the wind rose. Outside, branches rattled and leaves spun across the yard, carrying the first hints of autumn chill. I closed one window after another, hands lingering on cool panes, thinking of drafts and rain and the stories they bring. The room sighed as doors clicked shut, furniture settling, shadows stretching long. I paused in the kitchen, listening to the house breathe, feeling a quiet satisfaction in small acts of care. Even in a world full of rushing and noise, closing windows, sealing warmth, keeping life in, felt like a ritual older than time. When the last pane clicked, I leaned back, watching the dark sky grow, stars peeking, and I realized that protection and comfort come in simple, careful gestures repeated day by day. Now listen to the poem. Evening settles like soft smoke, branches rattle, leaves of oak. Windows open to autumn's chill, I close each one with quiet will. Hands linger on panes of glass, stories of wind and rain that pass. Rooms sigh as doors click tight, shadows stretch in fading light. House breathes calm, small acts held dear, rituals older than the year. Protection comes in simple ways. Comfort grows through careful days. Dark sky stretches, stars appear. Home feels safe when windows clear.